What's up, guys? This is Mark with Mark's Kitchen, episode 6. It's been a while. I'm excited to be back in the kitchen. Today what we're gonna be cooking is gnocchi, or like some people like to call it gnocchi. It's gonna be real now out there. Little backstory for you. I just came back from a trip from Italy. Oh, the amount of carbs I ate over there.
I can't stop eating.
Probably ate 8 pizzas, had gnocchi at least twice, and that kind of inspired this dish. It's made from potatoes, so the carbs are, well, they're there. But if you bake potatoes the night before, you could literally just peel the skins off, and all you need is a little egg, a little flour, and you got yourself some gnocchi. Here's what you're gonna need to get started cooking your gnocchi. What you're gonna need to do first is boil your potatoes. All you're gonna need to do is throw them in a pot of boiling water with a little bit of salt. Let them boil for 15 minutes or so till they get nice and cooked. And then what you're gonna do is peel those bad boys. Got a little trick for you though on the potatoes. All you have to do is cut this little slit in the middle of your potato. When you boil it, the skin is just gonna peel and pull right off, making it so easy. By the way, got a new knife set that I can sharpen my knives with. Knife safety is really something that I really like to really practice in my kitchen. So like, just be careful with your knives, dude. So we got the water at a roaring boil. You're gonna add a little bit of salt in there. Carefully drop the potatoes in the water. In order for us to peel these potatoes, what we gotta do is dunk them in cold water so we can just pull them apart and then start making that dough for the gnocchi. Now that the potatoes are cooled down, mash them up, throw them in the mixing bowl. We're gonna hit the potatoes with a little salt and pepper. Put a scoop of ricotta cheese on top, and then we're gonna cut up the little gnocchi balls, and we're gonna be cooking real now right there. Now that the gnocchi ball is forming, what we're gonna do is fold in some basil, give it a little freshness. We're gonna fold the gnocchi into the water. There they are. Once they float, they're done. For the sauce, it's very simple. All we're gonna do, throw some butter in the pan, throw a couple sage leaves in the pan as well. Once the gnocchi float on top of the water, all we're gonna do is scoop them out, throw them in the sauce for just a kiss, just a little kiss, and then put it on the plate. Scoop the sauce, finish it with a little Parmesan cheese, and we're gonna be eating. About 4 tablespoons of butter in the pan. Let it rip. Scoop these bad boys out, let them drain, and then add them right on the pan. Let them kiss the pan. Keep going, drain it out, kiss the pan, baby. Look at these things sizzle, baby. Ooh, yes. We're gonna plate this. We're gonna sprinkle it with a little bit of Parmesan cheese, and then we're gonna chow. Oh, that's called basil infused gnocchi, homie. Ooh, let's get a slow-mo of that zoom in. All right, your boy's gotta eat this masterpiece full of gnocchi, baby. Come on. Here we go. Taste test.
Dude. What? This is so good.
I can finish this whole mound. Inside of these are little bursts of basil. Oh, the sage, the butter. Oh, you can taste the ricotta. It makes it so light and airy. All right, guys, I'm gonna go enjoy the rest of this gnocchi. Thank you for tuning in. I'm sorry I've been a little bit silent on the Mark's Kitchen. We're back in action. We're ready to go. We're ready for some more real gnocchis. And you already know what they say. If you can do it in Mark's Kitchen, you can do it in your kitchen. Peace.